welcome back. Coming up on today's video is a great eye cream to reduce puffiness and dark circles and great under eye gel patches. Yeah. However, I came in today and Teresa was there at the door greeting me with a big smile on her face, and I thought she's been at the bubbly again because her under eyes were very puffy today and still are. So tell us what happened, Teresa.
Well, I've had an allergic reaction to a certain brand's collagen pads which go under the eyes that are meant to reduce puffiness and make you look wonderful.
So it wasn't the bubbly?
It was not the bubbly. I wish it was, however it wasn't. So we're going to go straight into this. What I used was the Eyelash Emporium Collagen Under Eye Pads. So in this little pack you get 2 sachets, so you get 2 treatments. It's £4 for the entire pack, which means you're paying £2 for each treatment. So alarm bells should have rung in my little head. So after 30 minutes, because that's how long you leave them on for, I removed it, and it was quite difficult removing it. I had to support the eye and remove them. There's a bit of a tug, and I'm all red under here. You can see the redness here and here. It's quite red. It's very itchy. It's starting to swell, and by the end of the day it will be all the way down to here, a lovely allergic reaction.
So nothing for a skin test, patch test?
No. And that's a great point, Shilpa. Really, if they all they need to do is pop in a small little bit of this product that you can peel off and just test patch on a sensitive area of your skin, the inner wrist or somewhere around the eye area.
Actually, I had a look at the packaging, and I'm sure Teresa did. There's nothing to warn us of a patch test. I mean, we know, but some people wouldn't know for using it the first time.
So apparently it's packed with vitamins, aloe vera, green tea and collagen. It's meant to help the dark circles and remove puffiness and help with the lines. So how you apply these, they come on little plastic sheets. One side has material on it, and the other side, when you peel it off, this is the side that goes onto the eye, is a gel, and this is where the product is. So the placement for these is the small end here and the large end going outwards.
But not much product.
You're dead right.
Practically dry.
I am so glad you said that, because they really have not put a lot of product on here. And when I removed it 30 minutes later, my eye tissue was not hydrated.
But there's nothing there to hydrate it with.
And you can't even say that, oh, your skin absorbed all that product in 30 minutes, because later on I'm going to show you some fantastic under eye collagen pads, and they are still holding the product. I had to test these for you because the ones I'm going to show you later are quite expensive. They're high end. These are budgets, so it's only fair that I do compare and contrast.
Can I ask, did that feel quite weighty on your eyes?
It
because
did.
That skin is so delicate under there.
Did.
So
it did feel weighty, and my eyes did not like it. So I think if anyone has sensitive eyes, probably best to avoid these.
It doesn't even stay on my finger.
I think you need to sort of spend a little bit more money. So that was my story with the iPads, but lessons learned, and I wouldn't recommend them, and I'll be disposing of the spare packet because you won't want them either, will you?
Absolutely not.
Shilpa has sensitive eyes too.
Well, I found a great little eye cream. This is the Inkey List Caffeine Eye Cream, £9 for 15 mils.
It's great value.
And it is loaded with anti-inflammatory, antioxidant benefits derived from coffee.
Oh, the caffeine,
yeah, and we know coffee all of that helps to reduce puffiness and dark circles and prevent skin damage from free radicals. So application is just pop a little bit onto your hand. Would you like to try some?
Yes, please. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, it's so light.
Yeah, ring finger and then dot around the eyes, the contour of the eyes. So around here, I'm going to put a little bit on. Then circular movements. It's so lovely and cooling. I know I have makeup on, but
It is lovely, isn't it? Have you tried this out of the fridge, Shilpa?
yeah. I like all the eye products from the fridge because they're nice and cool.
Yeah, so
Yes.
cooling. And were you telling me earlier this has a Matrixel 3000?
Yes, and that help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and boosts collagen.
Oh, it's great. And that's what you need in an eye product.
Yes.
You need collagen boosting because, of course, this skin is so thin. It's unbelievably thin, and obviously less collagen underneath, which is why they get quite sunken because, of course, they're in the eye sockets too. So
I think that under eyes we do get very dehydrated.
Yeah.
So we really need to keep them hydrated. And to use your daily moisturiser is too heavy for the eyes, you know, for that area, that delicate eye area.
Yeah.
Also contains hyaluronic acid, squalene and soybean.
Oh, you know,
So
what a great list of ingredients.
And suitable for all skin types. So that's
Fantastic.
fantastic. Yes.
Wonderful. Great texture, Shilpa.
And it's cruelty free, unlike your patches that you've just used.
Those patches were cruel, they were savage.
Oh dear, dear, dear. So this is safe to use AM and PM, so you only need one product.
Now, the iPads I did find, which were absolutely superb, were the Avant. These are gorgeous. They are saturated pads containing active ingredients to smooth, hydrate, get rid of puffiness, reduce the dark circles. I love, love, love these. However, they are a little bit on the high side price-wise.
Yes,
You get 3 packs of the under eye collagen gels, and that is £34. So it's roughly works out at $11.30 per treatment. I think it's worth it. I loved these. They're absolutely beautiful. Vitamin C, which is an ingredient that every eye gel or product should contain.
Yes.
It has your hyaluronic acid, again, to really saturate with the moisture. Infused with collagen. Also has the aloe vera to calm irritation and calm it all down.
You wouldn't put those over your eyes?
No, no. I'm going to let my eyes settle, and I'll talk about that later. But these are superb. So you get your foil pack. There we go. There is no material on these ones. It is pure gel. So she'll put these. You try this one and tell me what you think.
That's better,
these are just wonderful. Look at these.
Oh, yes.
And that is saturated with everything your
better.
eye needs.
Very wet, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just gorgeous, and it just comes off so easily. It sits again beautifully on the eye area. There's no weight, and it just peels off fantastically.
And they're lovely and cool.
They are. And when I put them on, I was like lying down for these, and I left them on for 30 minutes. I think they say you can do it for 10 to 15, but I left them on for longer. It was cooling. It was just the loveliest feeling.
And of course you could pop these into the fridge as well.
You could, very easily. And I just love them. And what more can I say about them?
I'm a great believer in the under eye gel patches.
Yeah, if you get a good quality one, they really do make a difference.
Yes.
They really bring that eye tissue back to normal.
And I do leave them on for longer than...
Do you? Yeah, I do too. I just leave them on for about 30 minutes. Now, if you do have any redness like me, or if it's itchy or anything going on, remove them immediately.
Yes.
Unfortunately, I couldn't remove these immediately because it was only after I removed it, I looked in the mirror and thought, oh my God. So if I had felt anything going on, I would have removed them immediately. But these, I would highly recommend the Avant. Little bit pricey, $11.30 per treatment, £34 for the pack. Cruelty-free, vegan, superb product. By the way, once these come off, there might be a little bit of residue. Just tap it in, massage it in gently. Please don't reuse these. That would be a very bad idea. We just kept them for you for demonstration purposes to show you what they were like and how they still had product and they were still pliable and moist and beautiful, but not to be reused. Use once a week, your iPads, and or whenever you're going out and you want to treat yourself.
If you do feel that your eyes are a little bit sensitive or sore, remove them straight away, and I would wash that eye area with cool water, and even use these pads soaked in cold water.
It's really interesting. If you've ever had an eye allergy with the product, is that what you do? The cold pads, and you just put it over the eyes, and
I just keep doing that until it, and then I leave them alone, and I don't apply anything. Do you do the same?
Well, when I remember a few videos, I had an eye allergy. Do you remember?
Yeah.
And with that one there, it really did come all the way down. And the only thing I could use was squalane oil.
Yes, she said,
just pure squalane oil. And I was just avoiding everything except for that. And it did heal eventually. So whenever you take these off, obviously carry on with your normal routine, your moisturiser, etc. and throat cream.
So would you put eye cream on over?
You can do, but to be honest, when you go for the more expensive pads, the quality is there and the hydration is there, but you could always pop a little bit of eye gel on afterwards if you wish, around the eye, and that'd be absolutely fine. But these are lovely. Highly recommend them. Treat yourselves. So it's also important to remember your SPF, which goes on all over the face and the eyes. Check your SPF facial product to make sure that it is ophthalmically tested for the eye area. Most of them are. And again, you'd sort of end it here because with movement of the eyes, it's all sort of worked up and around. So that's extremely important, SPF, because that stops the skin degrading.
And of course,
there's one more thing everyone should remember. Sunglasses! A girl's best friend. Not only are they a brilliant fashion accessory, they protect your eyes.
Yes. Now the excitement's over. Please remember to share us with your friends and family, and
please remember to ring that bell and subscribe. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you the next time. Bye-bye.